You're probably wondering why you're watching this video. After all, you can just Google it, right? Well, hold that thought. Because while it's true you can find information online, I'm here to give you the lowdown on Relay Financial, but not just the basic facts. We're diving deep. Think of this as your personal financial detective, uncovering the nitty-gritty about Relay Financial. So, what is Relay Financial? Is it a bank? A fintech company? Or something entirely different? Let's clear the air. Relay Financial isn't a traditional bank in the sense of having brick-and-mortar branches and tellers. It's what we call a fintech company, the fancy term for a financial technology company. These guys are all about using technology to shake up the traditional banking world. But here's the kicker: even though Relay isn't a bank itself, it partners with banks to offer banking services. Confused yet? Let's break it down. Imagine Relay as a really cool platform that connects you to the banking world. It's like being able to order food from different restaurants through one app. Relay is that app, and the banks are the restaurants. In Relay's case, it partners with a bank called Thread Bank. This is where the magic happens. When you sign up for Relay, you're actually opening an account with Thread Bank. It's Thread Bank that holds your money, provides FDIC insurance, and handles all the traditional banking stuff. So, to answer the burning question, no, Relay Financial is not a bank. It's a fintech platform that provides banking services through a partnership with Thread Bank. But why would you use Relay instead of going directly to a bank? That's a great question. Relay offers a bunch of features that traditional banks might not. Things like easy account management, expense tracking, and even integration with other financial tools. It's like having a personal finance assistant right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Is Relay safe? This is a valid concern. After all, you're trusting them with your hard-earned money. The good news is, your money is FDIC insured up to $250,000 through Thread Bank. That's the same level of protection you'd get at a traditional bank. Plus, Relay uses top-notch security measures to protect your information. They have encryption, two-factor authentication, and all that jazz to keep your money safe. So, is Relay Financial right for you? That depends on your needs. If you're looking for a traditional bank with branches on every corner, Relay might not be the best fit. But if you want a convenient, tech-savvy way to manage your money, Relay could be worth considering. Remember, while Relay offers a lot of great features, it's essential to do your own research and compare it to other options. Everyone's financial situation is different, so choose what works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.